Have you ever looked at those amazing YouTube animations online and thought to yourself, oh my god, I wish I could actually do that? Well, today you're actually in the right spot. Well, today I'll be actually showing you how to animate as a beginner step by step. And the best part, we're going to be starting from scratch and with absolutely no experience required. Now what you're going to need to have is you're going to need to have two applications, which is Adobe After Effects and Adobe Photoshop. Now what we're going to do in Adobe Photoshop is we're going to cut out each individual part of the animated or the photo or whatever you want to call it. So let's hop on the internet and find a logo that we want to animate. So for this video, I want to go ahead and animate the Adobe Photoshop. Let's go with Photoshop. So you want to type of that, just get the logo on the internet. So once you found your logo or found whatever you want to animate, you want to just go ahead and save that. Just download that and make sure that you download it as a PNG image. Otherwise you won't have the background and it won't be transparent. So just make sure you do that. So once you open up your Photoshop, you just want to head over and to your desktop or wherever your animated logo is, and you just want to drag that all the way. Let me just see if it's this one. Yep, it's that one. You want to take that and just drag it all the way into your Photoshop, and as you can see, it will pop up with a transparent background, and that's why you want it in the PNG file. So let me just make this a bit smaller, just like that. Just put it in the middle. Now what you want to do is you want to cut out every individual letter. If it's something that you want to animate, for example, you're gonna have to cut out each part of that, if you get what I'm saying. So for this, it's letters. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this magic tool. You just wanna click on that. Then once you selected that, you wanna click Control plus C, and that will copy it. And then you wanna press Control plus V, and I will paste it. And as you can see, we have the P there. Now you just wanna do it to the S, and you wanna press Control C and press. Okay, there we go. Copy it, and now we have both. Now for this part, we just wanna click this, and this will basically take that away. Now what you want to do is you want to select the spot healing brush tool. You want to make sure you click on the base of the object, and you want to go ahead and just brush over that, and there you go. It should be disappeared. There we go, disappeared. Now you have the base of it and you have the two letters of it, which means you can basically animate it. Now you just want to right click on each layer, and you want to click on quick export as PNG, and you want to name this whatever you want to name it. What I would normally do is 1. I'll name that 1. Then you want to just export this one as well, the second letter, make that 2, and then you just want to make the base 3. And once you're done with that, you want to head over to your After Effects now. So once you open up your After Effects, you just want to make a new composition, and you can name it whatever. You can just make it the Adobe logo. Now you just want to go ahead and drag all of those images, 1 and 2, 3, drag them all in. So anyway, so once you dragged everything in, so what you want to do is you want to rename all these again. You can do it in the Photoshop, but I'm just not okay. So what I do is just make this the base, put that one side. Then you want to take your letters and just put that, just make it smaller a bit. Now what you can do is you can just put your base in the middle, just move them all the way, put your base in the middle, put the P in. It needs to be a bit bigger than that, and then you need to put the S in, which is like that. That looks okay. Do you just want to move this a bit this side, just like that? So now you have your logo. So now we're gonna move on to actually animating this thing. I'll just select both of these. You can just press shift. You need to hold in shift, click on that, and that will select both. Then you want to head over to the transform. Now you want to click here, and you want to make a keyframe. You want to make a keyframe just there, and then you want to pull it all the way to 1 second. Then you want to make this a bit smaller, for example, like put it on 40 or something like that. Also, what you're going to need to do is make the position, make a keyframe on the positioning, and then you want to just position it up straight. Just find this other one just like that, and you want to position this as well. So just push it there, make a keyframe, push it all the way there, then you want to just push it closer, just like that, and it will basically look like that. Now you have somewhat of effect going on. Now you want to head over to the base, and you want to click make a keyframe as well at the start, make a keyframe on scaling. Now you want to pull it over to the 1 second, wherever the words, let's say the word stops, which is by 1 second. You want to just make this smaller like that. I think that's perfect. Now you have somewhat of effect like this. So once you actually do that, what you want to do is just want to add some extra, you know, just to get that looking perfect. So what I would do is I would just select again these two letters, and then just find out what the scale is at the beginning. So it's 53 at the beginning. So what I would do is, since it's going out, now I want to bring it back in. So I will make another you don't need to click the keyframe button. All you need to do is just type out the 53, enter. Now you're obviously going to need to position it as well, so we're going to need to position that. Then you just want to position the S as well, just like that. And now obviously you want to also scale the base as well, so let's do that. So let's put the base on 53 and click enter. So now you actually have that movement going in, and it's just bringing it out as well. Now what we can actually also do is we can animate the letters. Click on these letters, just this one, the P example, and then also the S, and just pull this a bit like that, so that it will just pull this one as well, this side, for example, something like that. So, and there you go. And now you have some, just to spice it up a bit. Now what I would normally do is, once I'm done with that, is I would just select all of these, right click on them and click on pre-compose. And now you just want to type out a logo, whatever, and just click on enter. And now it will just put it in a bundle. Now we're going to head over to the effects. So what you want to do for the effects is you want to head over to the effects tab. You want to type out time, and you will find posterized time, and you want to put that on it. And then you just want to make the frame rate, you want to put that on 12, click enter. Now for the second effect, that just brings the logo or the edit to life. It just makes it look gorgeous. And that effect is the deep glow. Now this plugin is not free, but I will leave a link in the description where you can just download the plugin. So you want to just go ahead and add that to your logo. And as you can see, oh my god. So let's play it back, and then you can see how it looks. Oh my god, look at it. And there you go, you actually made a basic animated logo, which does not look bad. You can put this in your videos. Also, what you want to definitely do with these logos and do with these animations is add sound to them. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button for more videos just like this. Also, if you have any ideas on what videos I should make, leave them in the comment section. It will be very helpful. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.